Air-sea containers offer a range of infectious substance packaging solutions for the transportation of Class 6.2 Category B infectious substances, which can also be used without thermal control packaging. Category B infectious substances require a triple packaging solution, which in this example consists of leak-proof primary receptacles, a leak-proof secondary packaging capable of withstanding an internal pressure of 95 kPa, and a rigid outer packaging. Absorbent cushioning will also be required. Always refer to the code 761 assembly instructions when assembling this package. The code 761 BioShipper-1 is supplied flat-packed, designed with an easy pop-up construction and is capable of carrying up to 4 bio bags. Assemble the box. Place the sealed leak-proof primary receptacles within the absorbent cushioning material. Add the receptacles into the leak-proof secondary packaging. Place the bio bag in the outer box. Repeat this process if shipping more than 1 bio bag. Close the outer box. Apply foil tamper evidence seal. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for any other necessary consignment information.